Welcome to AI Evaluation. Big news in the AI world, Zepu AI, now rebranded as Z.AI, has just dropped its GLM 4.5 series, and it's a major leap forward. This isn't just another release, it's one of the most advanced open-source AI models we've seen in 2025. Intro overview. Why is this such a big deal? It's powerful, smartly engineered, highly efficient, agent-ready, and surprisingly cheap to run. At just 11 cents per million input tokens and 28 cents for output, this thing is redefining what open-source AI can do. Main model, GLM 4.5. Let's dive into the flagship model, GLM 4.5. It's built on a 355 billion parameter foundation, but thanks to its mixture of experts architecture, only 32 billion are active at a time during inference. This allows it to deliver high-end performance with far lower computational overhead. Lightweight option, GLM 4.5 Air. For those with less compute power, there's GLM 4.5 Air, a streamlined version with 106 billion total parameters and just 12 billion active per prompt. It's optimized for consumer-grade GPUs. Think 32 to 64 gigabytes VRAM, making high-performance AI more accessible than ever. Agent-first design. Now here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just a chatbot. GLM 4.5 is built for agentic reasoning from the ground up. It can plan, think step by step, control external tools and APIs, and even manage multi-step workflows, like a true autonomous AI assistant. Dual operating modes. You get two operating modes: thinking mode for complex multi-step reasoning, and fast mode for quick responses when speed matters more than depth. Insane speed. Let's talk speed. GLM 4.5 generates over 100 tokens per second on standard API calls. With speculative decoding and multi-token prediction, it can even hit 200 tokens per second, blazing fast for a model this size. Massive context window. It supports up to 128,000 tokens input and 96,000 output, crushing GPT-4's 32K and Claude's 100K limits. You can throw in entire books, code bases, or large datasets, and it handles it like a champ. Training pipeline. GLM 4.5 was trained on a huge 15 trillion token general dataset, followed by 7 to 8 trillion more focused on code, reasoning, and agent tasks. Then they fine-tuned it with a custom reinforcement learning engine called SLIME. Yes, seriously. Slime reinforcement learning. Slime runs hybrid long-horizon reinforcement learning, decoupling data generation and training to keep things efficient. It even uses FP8 mixed precision to maximize GPU utilization during slow agent simulations. Smart architecture choices. Unlike many models that go wide, GLM 4.5 goes deep. More layers, fewer active experts, and tighter hidden dimensions. It also uses grouped query attention, partial rotary embeddings, and 96 attention heads for better focus and stability. Speculative decoding boost. They've integrated multi-token prediction layers, which means speculative decoding is baked in, a huge speed-up for inference. Benchmark performance. Let's talk numbers. GLM 4.5 ranked number 3 globally across 12 major benchmarks. It trails only GPT-4 and xAI's Grok 4, beating Claude Opus, DeepSeek R1, and Gemini Flash in most tests. Scoring details. 91% on AIME 2024, 98.2% on Math 500, 64.2% on SWE Bench, 37.5% on Terminal Bench, 53.9% win rate on real agent tasks, 80.8% coding success over Qwen 3, 90.6% tool call success rate, higher than Claude, DeepSeek, and Kimi K2. BrowseComp performance. It also nailed the BrowseComp benchmark with 26.4% accuracy, putting it ahead of Claude Opus and just a bit behind O4 Mini High. Ridiculously low pricing. And here's the kicker. It's super affordable. 2.8 yuan per million tokens, which is about 39 US cents. For comparison, Claude's API costs around 30 yuan for the same, over 10 times more. Open source advantage. GLM 4.5 is released under the MIT license, meaning it's fully open source and commercially usable. You can download it, fine-tune it, self-host it, or build products on top of it right now. Easy integration. They even included OpenAI-compatible APIs and made it plug-and-play with existing agent frameworks like Claude Code, making it super easy to switch or experiment. Live demos. They've showcased some impressive real-world demos too. Research Assistant finds info online, compiles reports, cites sources. Flappy Bird game, built and controlled entirely via prompt. HTML slide deck, generated full presentation slides, images, and layout from one command. Full web app, backend, frontend, and deployment, all from conversation. Why it matters. This is more than a model. It's a platform. China's open-source AI movement is accelerating, and Zepu, Z.AI, is leading the charge. GLM 4.5 isn't just a technical achievement, it's a statement. The AI 6 Tigers, Zepu is part of China's AI 6 Tigers, alongside Moonshot, Step AI, and others. Moonshot recently dropped Kimi K2. Now, Zepu's GLM 4.5 with 355B parameters is the largest open model to date. Strategic backing. They're backed by Tencent, Alibaba, and multiple local governments. They raised $1.5 billion with big investments from Shanghai Puzheng VC and are prepping for a Hong Kong IPO. Future roadmap. GLM-5 is already underway. Multimodal models are next. They've already open-sourced GLM 4.1v with vision language capability. Closing message. Bottom line, GLM 4.5 is a game changer. It's fast, affordable, open, and powerful, and it could reshape how the world thinks about open-source AI. If these models keep getting better, what happens to closed systems? Call to action. What do you think? Will open models take over? Drop your thoughts below, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.